Here I'm on a Windows 11 machine, and one of the things I wanted to prove is that the Python language has all of the built-in tools for you to do installations. Now, if we go through and we go to the python.org website and we go to downloads, this is the official location to download Python. And you can get it for here from free. And this one is 3.11 if I wanted to use that one. An alternate way is if you go to the command prompt and you type in the cmd command to get us started, and then type in Python. What you'll notice is that it will automatically install Python from the Microsoft Store for you. And notice, again, the Python Software Foundation is the official distributor of Python, not a third-party company. Now, if I go through here and I type in Python-im, VENV, it includes a virtual environment manager right inside of the Python library. And if I type in VENV, it'll create one inside of this directory. Now, let's say you wanted to do data science. So this is a common thing that people on Windows want to do. No fear, you don't have to use any other tools other than Python itself. If we cd into this directory and we look inside, notice there's a scripts directory. And inside of here, all I have to do is type in activate.bat. And if I type in activate.bat, what will happen? It gives me a virtual environment. Now that I've got this virtual environment distributed from the Python Software Foundation, all I need to do is do my installations and they'll stay in this environment. And now if I wanted to install pandas, let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. We've got pandas installed here. Again, a seamless workflow without needing to install any third-party tools. I just did a pip install pandas. Oftentimes, if you're doing data science, people are going to want to use things other than just pandas. And so a lot of times you'll use Jupyter. Let's go ahead and install that as well. And here we say pip install Jupyter. Now, again, I think this is a surprise to most people, is that the Python standard library has all of the tools necessary without needing to go to any other tool. Even though those tools might be useful for other people, all you need is the Python language itself. And what it will do is, once you've activated the virtual environment, you can install any package you want just by using the regular Python tools. There we go. So now that we've got this activated, let's go ahead and run Jupyter Notebook. Here we go. We have Jupyter Notebook. And what's amazing about this is I've got this thing running right here. And look, here's my Jupyter Notebook. Let's go ahead and do some data science. From here, all I need to do is try out my library, import pandas as PD, and you can see here that we've been able to execute it successfully. So really, in a nutshell, the Python language itself is freely available without any other tools necessary. It gives you virtual environments and pip, and you can do data science just with a few steps.